Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a great start to the week. So right now I am, let me like turn you guys around and show you. Going through these two bottom drawers. These two drawers, like specifically this first one, is where I keep any skincare that I might try out. Skincare, hair care products, and like travel size items. I keep them in that one. And then this drawer is for makeup. Realize that the last time I went through all of these drawers was when my mother-in-law was in town, and I gave a bunch of this stuff to my mother-in-law. So now I'm kind of going through everything, sorting through items that I've already touched or swatched, separating that, and also new items. And I'm kind of putting together some goodies for a secret giveaway next month. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do the giveaway, but it will definitely be like a hidden giveaway. I have just two empty boxes, so I'm gonna fill these up. Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Today is Darren's graduation from Airborne school, so right now he is in Fort Benning. Congratulations, Derren. So we're gonna be watching the live stream in about 20 minutes. Nine o'clock, I think. Is it almost? Yeah, it's 9 o'clock already. So I just finished filming tomorrow's video. Early happy Thanksgiving to you guys. The last time I vlogged, we were watching Darren's graduation. He was in Georgia, Fort Benning, for Airborne school. So he was there for about 19 days. We were so grateful that we could at least see the graduation because they were streaming it live on Facebook. Family members got to pin the wings on their soldier, which I thought was so cool. That would have been so nice if we were there, but unfortunately we were not able to attend. Congratulations, Derren. We are so proud of you. Almost been about 6 months now since he has been on his own in the army, and hopefully he will be coming home for Christmas around the holidays. That would be freaking amazing. Darren's specialty, he is a paratrooper. He's one of the people who jump out of the plane. You are basically jumping out of the plane by yourself. It definitely is scary, and that's coming from somebody who is a thrill seeker and wants to go skydiving, because skydiving is like my #1 on my bucket list. Of course, when it's your loved one who's up there, you are just like, oh my gosh, you know, it's really scary. I think I'm gonna go eat dinner really quickly because I am kind of hungry. Thanksgiving, you guys. It is not deja vu. I am wearing the same exact clothing as yesterday. So we are preparing Thanksgiving dinner. It's I think it's about like 5 something. We're getting ready because we're gonna FaceTime Derren in a little bit while we're having dinner. So I can finally remove this little sticker right here because I don't like... I like to have the camera hidden. Have you guys seen that movie with Taylor Lautner? Do you remember the name of that movie? Jonathan? Is it Abducted? Yeah. Right, where they were able to turn on his camera from his MacBook or his laptop. So after seeing that movie, I like to put this sticker right on top of the camera. Here is our Thanksgiving dinner. We have scalloped potatoes, Thai salad, have a turkey with gravy, hot and sour soup, meat pie thingy. There's all the food for Thanksgiving.
We dressed up for you, except Lola Pete.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So we are in Camarillo because we're gonna do like a bit of Black Friday shopping. We're here in front of Burlington. We have a cappuccino. And then we each are splitting one of the cronuts. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. It's super thick. So we're just having some dessert, and then we're gonna go Black Friday shopping. And I think I might film like a shop with me Black Friday shopping video. We are here at the Camarillo Premium Outlets. You guys are gonna shop with me this evening. Technically, it's already Black Friday. It's, what time is it? It's 11:35 p.m. Thanksgiving. What's up, you guys? So it's Sunday, It's already kind of late. It's actually, what time is it? It's like 6:28. Abby, Uncle Tony, and Wilma, they stopped by, and Abby brought some of her famous spam musubi. Her spam musubi is bomb. It is so good. So we're gonna eat that for dinner. Thank you so much, Abby. Thank you for your spam musubi. It's so good. So we're also gonna have some tofu, rice, wine vinegar, some onions. Abby makes these and she sells them at her school. How much does she sell them for? $1. Yeah, $1.50. Her spam musubi, it is so good, you guys.
Call the number on your screen right now.
In Ukraine, there's no support network.
It is so delicious. A bunch of cut up carrots. We're gonna go feed the bunnies. Did I scare some of them away? Dang, they all look like super alert. No, don't do that. No, these are for you guys. There you go. Those are for you. Are they gonna go eat it? I think I scared them.